I'll start at the beginning.
We're in Seaworld in Orlando, and I have a lovely scooter.
Yay! And Nick is taking some pictures of the flamingos.
So they only get a little bit of water every time they bob their head, so they have to bob their head a bunch of times. Get it?
And he's filming for you. This is so cool. I feel like I'm flying. Whee! Oh wow, this is such a cool angle.
And let go. Here we go.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Wow.
That was really cool. Did you like it?
Yeah.
Nick? You liked it?
You're right, yeah.
Liked it.
The trainers have to run to their landing spots.
I think I can touch you. Oh wow, you feel slimy.
Looks like a good one.
High five! Yeah. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm wet, but I'm happy.
We made it perfect time to the stingray. We're actually feeding them. They eat raw shrimp. Who knew?
Nick is feeding them.
Oh, look at them. Oh, they like it. Whoa. Oh, there you go, bud.
I had my mouth open.
Sorry.
I'm gonna eat to try to keep my mouth closed and not smile.
There you go. There you go, right there. Oh. They're splashing.
Okay, I'm gonna hold my camera with my one hand and let's see if I can do this.
Oh! So you have to hold it under their face.
Oh, under their face.
Underneath.
Oh! Oh God, he got it! He got it! Oh my God! Okay.
We are getting a new beverage. It's called South Pole Vanilla Chill. I went under vanilla, caffeine free, and there it is. Getting the Diet Vanilla South Pole Chill. Tastes a lot like cream soda.
So this is the ride Kraken Unleashed. It's also a VR ride, and I don't think it's currently a VR ride anymore. But anyways, the audio for it kind of like went out. So this is just a quick video of me riding the roller coaster that I filmed of my face. And you can probably tell I'm having a lot of fun because roller coasters are honestly my jam.
Hello, penguins! It's less than 50 degrees in here and I'm dying. Hi, penguins. Hi, penguins. You all look great. We are heading to the Seaworld fireworks, but look at these nifty jellies. Nifty.
It has bubbles going through the mask. I like the pearl.
We have ended our day the same place where we started it. We are at Disney's Polynesian.
Polynesian Resort, and this time we're Trader Sam's.
Emergency evacuation procedures. Pay your tax and get out.
We can say this is more professional either.
This is Disney. Please get out.
Good way to end the night, isn't it, Mom?
Oh, there goes the volcano. It's erupting. Oh, and it just came to an end. Okay, we're back to
Back to normal. Good day?
Yeah, great day.
Great day.